Hey friends! You've finished your app on Google AI Studio, a powerful platform for developing AI-driven applications. But how do you put it on your phone or even on the Play Store for wider distribution? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the exact steps to bridge this gap, transforming your AI Studio project into a functional mobile application. The best part? No complex coding is required for this process. First, the crucial step is to export your project from Google AI Studio. This action prepares your application for its journey to a mobile device. You'll typically find an export option within the interface. Upon exporting, you might receive a direct link to your project, which you should securely save. Alternatively, you could download a package of files, such as HTML and CSS, which represent the core of your application. Next, you'll need to open Android Studio, Google's official integrated development environment for Android. It's a powerful tool, and importantly, it's completely free to download and use. Once Android Studio is open, navigate to New Project and select Empty Views Activity. This provides a clean slate for your application, ready for customization. This is the foundation upon which your app will be built. Give your application a descriptive name, and then assign a unique package name, such as com.yourname.bodaboda. This ensures your app has a distinct identity on the Play Store. Finally, click Finish to create your project. Now, we introduce a web view into your project. Think of a web view as a specialized browser window embedded directly within your app. It's the component that will display your Google AI Studio project. In your layout file, typically named activity_main.xml, you'll replace the existing content with the web view code. This action effectively transforms your app's main screen into a canvas capable of loading web content. With the web view in place, the next step is to instruct it on what content to display. This involves pointing it directly to your exported Google AI Studio project. If you obtained a link during the export, you'll use webview.loadURL in your mainActivity.kt file. This line tells the web view to fetch and display content from that specific URL. If you exported files, place them into the assets /www/directory within your Android project. Then use webview.loadURL to load your local index.html file. For your app to access external resources, like the internet, you must grant it the necessary permissions. This is a critical security step to ensure your app functions as intended. In your Android manifest.xml file, add the following line: uses permission Android, name equals android.permission.internet. This declaration explicitly allows your application to establish network connections. Now that your app is configured, it's time to test it. This step is crucial for verifying that your Google AI project integrates and displays correctly within the Android environment. Click the Run button, typically represented by a green play icon. You can choose to deploy your app on an emulator, which simulates an Android device, or directly onto a physical phone connected to your computer. Your app should launch, displaying your Google AI project exactly as it appeared in the studio. If it functions correctly at this stage, congratulations! Your project is ready for the next phase. The next step is to build the final application file, which is the distributable package of your app. This file is what users will install on their devices or what you'll upload to app stores. Go to Build in the Android Studio menu, then select Generate Signed Bundles/APK. This option initiates the process of packaging your app for release. You'll be prompted to choose between an app bundle for the Google Play Store or an APK if you intend to install it directly on your phone. Remember to save your key store password securely, as it's essential for future updates. Android Studio will then generate your app file, placing it within the release folder of your project directory. This is your completed, ready to distribute application. Finally, it's time to get your app into the hands of users. The method depends on whether you chose an APK or an AB file in the previous step. If you generated an APK, simply transfer it to your phone and install it. Then, thoroughly test it to ensure everything works perfectly on a real device. If you opted for an AB, upload it to the Google Play console. Here, you'll add essential details like screenshots and a compelling description before submitting your app for review and publication. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the journey from Google AI Studio to Android Studio, culminating in your app running on your phone or published on the Play Store. This process empowers you to share your creations with the world. Take it step by step and you'll get it done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and insights into mobile development and AI integration. Your feedback helps us create more valuable content.